Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500, E-mini futures daily chart, and what you can see there is we've hit the target that I was looking at for this week, the lower band. We've engaged at about 60. So what we saw, we talked about the weekly pivot yesterday being 84. We talked about a move up to the 80 to 84 area as a sell rally zone. We did about 83 and change last night, and the bears went ahead and they did what they needed to do. The bounce was coming, okay? Bounce was very tradable. We traded in the room. We bought the close on Friday from 68. We unloaded that, when 78 started to be potential resistance, moved up a little higher, and the bears overnight were able to make that lower low. So whatever happens today, as of 8:24 in the morning, absent a close above 84, the bears have done their job today. They don't need to do anything else. They established a lower high and they made a lower low. So people can talk about the bulls or whatever, this bounce. If we do bounce today, it's a sell. Rallies are sells. Until we close back above the middle band, all rallies are sells. We are in pure sell rallies mode. And that's always a very difficult transition for traders to make. So you need to make that. That's why we got out of our 68s yesterday when we did. We just unloaded. I had ads yesterday. I added at 72 yesterday. I was way early on that one, but it turned out okay. And then we added at 81 when we got into our zone. So we've taken all of those off this morning. I do expect to see another bounce, but the Bollinger Bandwidth is at 3.19. That's tight enough to keep us down and engage with the lower band for longer than the bulls would want to be. So we'll have to see how it is tomorrow if we can get into a band ride situation on the lower band. If not, then resistance areas above, you have to look at 65.66, which was the low here on Friday, and again on Monday, 65.66 at about 6:45 this morning. The initial drop down to 62 rallied back up to 66, and 66 was where it failed, and we've done 10 handles down from there. The current low is 56 as I'm taping this broadcast. So again, rallies are sells. You can be long the rallies, but you have to be long the rallies with a mind towards selling them. Okay? With respect to being short, take your profits. We took our profits. Could it run farther? Sure. Not a market to be greedy in because the dip buyers are here and the bears could fumble the ball at any time. So when you get good short trades going, if you have good chunks of handles, take your money. Trade them. Sell, buy. Sell rallies. Be long the rally, but sell the rally. So for being as down as it's been the last 2 or 3 days, this is a much smoother move down than I had expected. Remember, I had talked about kind of a jerky move down where, the bears wouldn't even feel like they were really making any money because the pops were so fierce. We may be getting into that, and we will get into that as we get closer to an actual low. But for now, this has been pretty tradable, so I'm thankful for that. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. Check out the live chart. We got the scroll up on GoToWebinar app all day, the chat scroll along with a live chart. We also have our usual chat room if you want to post and come in there. Come trade this stuff with us. Come sell these rallies with us. Be long the rallies and sell the rallies. We would love to meet you and help you with your trading. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.